Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. The game needs current DirectX runtimes and Visual C++ redistributables. Once done, install the DirectX web installer and the latest VC++ packages. These supply missing DLLs that trigger fatal errors. Next, right-click the Hitman executable, choose Properties, set compatibility to Windows 7 if needed, and enable Run as administrator. This prevents permission failures. Finally, reboot or sign out so system libraries register before continuing to deeper fixes. You now address the GPU layer because driver mismatches often cause DirectX crashes. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel drivers to the newest stable build and restart. Then open your GPU control panel and force the game to use the high-performance processor. This ensures proper feature support. Disable Steam, Discord, and Radeon overlays. These inject hooks that destabilize older DirectX calls. Finally, lower in-game graphics and turn off anti-aliasing. Reducing stress can prevent the fatal error during startup. Finish by scanning integrity or reinstalling the game to fix corrupted files that break DirectX calls. If errors persist, replace suspect DLLs by reinstalling DirectX or copying verified versions into the game folder. This restores missing or mismatched libraries. Change the game to windowed or borderless mode to avoid full-screen driver issues. If it still fails, try creating a clean Windows user profile or performing a system restore. These steps remove user-level conflicts that can silently provoke fatal DirectX errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.